bigtractorpower.com is coming to you from down on the model farm to introduce a great video produced by Kevin Keenan Photography featuring a 3,600 acre corn harvest in western New York State. We wanted to use some models here on the farm to talk a little bit about the equipment that you'll be seeing in this exciting video, and we hope that you'll enjoy this tour from down on the model farm of the big machines that you will see in Kevin's video of the western New York corn harvest. bigtractorpower.com is excited to bring you this video of WC Farms corn harvest produced by Kevin Keenan Photography, because WC Farms is one of the farms in western New York State that inspired me to get interested in farm equipment, photography, and video of big farm machines in action. Growing up in the late 1970s and early 1980s, I watched WC Farms' big John Deere 8640 four-wheel drive, one of the first big machines that I got to see at work in person, as well as their John Deere 12-row corn planter and 4440 tractor. These were big machines in the early 1980s and always exciting to see out in the field. So we're really looking forward to bringing you WC Farms corn harvest with their big modern machinery hard at work out in the field. Kevin Keenan Photography followed WC Farms over 25 days through 3,600 acres of corn following the 2016 corn harvest. WC Farms uses some big farm equipment to bring in their harvest. In the video, you'll see a John Deere 9460R equipped with a Grouser blade mount on the front, pulling a Kinsey 850 grain cart. The lead combine at WC Farms is a John Deere S680 combine equipped with tracks, and it is mounted with a Drago 12-row folding corn head. There's also a Case IH STX 450 quad track Steiger pulling an Unverferth 1310 grain cart on tracks, and you'll also see a John Deere 9660 STS equipped with a John Deere 608C corn head. In addition to the big combines, four-wheel drive tractors, and grain carts that you will see in this video out in the field, you'll see some of WC Farms' Ford Louisville dump trucks bringing the corn into the grain bin system, as well as a great-looking Mack Model R truck unloading corn at the bins. We hope that you'll enjoy this video from Kevin Keenan Photography. Big Tractor Power is looking forward to working more with Kevin Keenan Photography to bring great videos of big farming in western New York State. If you'd like to see more of Kevin's work, visit kevinkeenanphotography.com, and you can follow Kevin Keenan Photography on Facebook. As always, thank you for watching bigtractorpower.com on YouTube, and we look forward to bringing you a 3,600 acre corn harvest of WC Farms in western New York State. Thank you for watching.